It's a beginner's course, it's an introductory course to the various therapies and practices used in different parts of the world. It's based on human energy. When you've experienced any form of trauma or something that you don't like, that human energy gets stuck. And when it gets stuck, it causes you a variety of issues. It can cause you physical issues, so that's when your health dips down. Or it can cause emotional issues, that's when you get stressed. So what Reiki does is using a positive human energy, a loving human energy, it unblocks the energy flow within your body. And we do that by calming the mind, and then we also think loving thoughts. And just by with your hands, and you don't have to touch, you unblock that stressor from your body. And with practice and with the things that I teach, because these are ancient practices, you learn to self-heal. You use this technique to regain your balance. It is based on human energy. It's such a beautiful practice.